Alright, ladies and gents, I wasn't going to do this. I wasn't going to film the startup heat cycles, but I'm so excited. I've already started it once. I warmed it up for 4 minutes. Got to do that like 4 times to let everything seat in nicely, check for leaks, all that kind of stuff. Let it warm up slowly. But so this will be 4 minutes, so here we go. I love my Mexican bike. Let's see. Let me set you guys up right here. How's that? Can everybody see? Now the audio is going to suck. I got cooling fans set up to cool the motor down as it's running here in the next 4 minutes. So, here we go. that's it. That's the second heat cycle. The most important thing you got to worry about during the break-in procedure is heat. It's very important not to crack the throttle, go real heavy with the RPMs. You do the heat cycle for 4 minutes for about 4 times, and then you get on the road and do your break-in procedure. You know, don't go crazy with the RPMs or the speed or motor chugging or any of that. You know, change the oil after 50 miles. Change it again at 500. You know, shit like that. But I'm happy. The dragon lives to breathe another day. This is what I do. Got the fan taking the exhaust out. I got another fan blowing on the motor to cool it down, especially when I shut it down. But other than that, no leaks, no noises, no smoke yet. You know, I got to get it out on the road and figure all that out, but so far so good. No noises, which is always a plus. No oil leaks. It had good oil pressure. There's a gauge down there I've been watching. Good oil pressure. No smoke yet. Well, good. Alright, I'll keep this short and sweet. Stay tuned for the video where we're riding this bitch. We'll be pulling some wheelies, doing some burnouts. Nah, I'm just kidding. Maybe. We'll see. Gotta wait for my buddy Ski to come over. He gets dibs on riding this thing too. Alright fellas, talk to you later.